Hey guys, Dylan here, and I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Bitcoin from an exchange over into your Cash App wallet here. So we have Cash App open. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the bottom left icon, and that'll take us to this screen. So now we want to click Bitcoin, and you'll see it'll give us the option to buy Bitcoin, but we're not looking to buy Bitcoin. We're looking to transfer. So we're going to click on this little paper airplane icon. And we have no option to send Bitcoin because we don't have any currently, so we're going to click on Receive Bitcoin. And that'll bring up this QR code, so if someone else had a phone, they could scan this and send Bitcoin straight to you. But for our purposes, we're going to tap right on that QR code, and that'll bring up this screen. You'll see we have the option to send it to a Bitcoin network or a Lightning network. And for our purposes, we're going to use the Bitcoin network. Tap on that, and that'll copy this hash code here. And I'm using Coinbase, so now we're in Coinbase. You can see the Bitcoin price currently is $62,000. I have $11 worth of Bitcoin in my Coinbase wallet. So what we want to do is now we want to transfer. So we're going to click on transfer. We're going to click send because we're sending from here. And now we're going to allow the paste and just paste in that code. So there's our code, and what I like to do is I like to check the first two and the last two on the code. So here we see BC and the last two is JX. So now if I go back over to Coinbase, we'll see the first two BC and the last two JX. So everything is all good. We'll tap on that code, and now Coinbase has a limited amount you can send, so I have to at least send $7 worth of Bitcoin over to that wallet. And now we're going to click on preview. This just gives us a warning. Just watch out for scams. Only send money to trusted individuals and organizations. So you just want to be sure that hash code is right, so you know your Bitcoin is going to the right place. We'll hit continue, and now it's estimating it's going to take about 30 minutes, so we'll just have to wait that out. I'm going to hit send now, and then once that's done, our Bitcoin will be on the way shortly. And now here we are back in Cash App, and as we can see, our Bitcoin has made it into our wallet and everything is all good. So that's it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from an exchange into your Cash App wallet. Hope you guys learned something today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.